Frustrated by constant disconnections? Don't let lag ruin your game. Let's troubleshoot that connection. First, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. A weak signal can cause frequent disconnects. Move closer to your router or consider using a wired connection for a more stable link. A wired Ethernet connection offers a more reliable and faster connection than Wi-Fi. Plug one end into your computer and the other into your router. Power cycle your modem and router. Unplug them both. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in first. Once the modem is fully powered on, plug in the router. Run a speed test to check your internet speed. If your speeds are significantly lower than what you're paying for, contact your internet service provider. Ensure your firewall isn't blocking the game. Check your firewall settings and make sure the game application is allowed through. Close unnecessary background applications. These can consume bandwidth and cause connection issues. Use Task Manager to identify and close resource AV programs. By following these steps, you can improve your connection stability and enjoy a smoother online gaming experience.